so that's why he's turning that way. Herpes. Anyway, we are off to the Newbury Fireworks Spectacular at, where is it? Newbury Showground. So they do one. Oh, it's gone off. Does that mean it's still recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry, I've got the new GoPro 12 and I'm getting used to it. And my front camera's gone off.
You obviously better time now for it to go to sleep.
Oh, right.
After a minute or whatever.
Oh, well, I don't want it to do that.
Oh, it's shy of my cold sore and it's frightened to look.
It's pretty scared to look at your pulse. Anyway, yes, we're going to the Newbury Fireworks Spectacular. Not the one at the race course, because I've got one there as well. But this is the one, it's by Explosive Events. And there are monster truck rides, fireworks. There's also fairground, hot air balloon rides, apparently. Yeah.
The ones that are tethered, aren't they?
I don't know.
Yeah, they won't be.
Anyway, so we'll see what goes on. We've pre-bought our tickets. I think they were about £12 an adult. So apparently they do sell out. Oh yeah, I didn't get one for your new mate.
His name's Brian. They named him at work last night.
Did they?
Yeah.
Oh, Brian. Did Brian get a salary as well? Come to work. So yeah, we're just about here. We just got off the M4. It's about a half hour, 40-minute ride for us from where we are. And yeah, our first time here. Let's see. Oh, and they've also got for little kids and like kids that are scared of the big fireworks. Did you just fart? Kids that are scared of the big loud fireworks. They do a silent fireworks display before at about 6:30. Anyway, we'll see you in there. Ooh, can we see it? Can I zoom in on this camera?
What to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you. And I
surprisingly high when you're up with it.
But it was epic!
I've got my earmuffs on and they're all laughing at me. My ears, when it's too cold, I get earache. So I got my Timu earmuffs on. Right. We're going to look round a bit more.
So magical. I need to take. Look, it's mummy doing my coat up. Yeah.
Getting a hot chocolate.
Yeah.
The power of the cold sore.
On we go. Please walk slowly, follow the red arrows all the way through.
I'm going to cheat again. Oh, it's a wobbly bridge.
Thank you.
Oh, we're going across this bridge.
Hello, little girl. This way, please.
Oh, that's fine. That's alright.
This way, please. This way.
Oh, these are a bit more slippery. What's this? Oh.
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down.